Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set notifications on recommendations in the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the U button at the bottom of the page. And then if you scroll down, click on the settings button and then click on the notifications button, and then look for the your recommendations section and click on the edit button next to it. And as you can see, you can set the push notification frequency first. So you can set it to none, infrequent, normal and frequent. And then you can also set the email notification frequency with the same method. So just click on the frequency that you want to set. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.